Check that out. Got a fire over there. Wow. It's beautiful out here. Good, bro.
See you. Good to see you, bro.
Oh, what's up, guys? How's it going? All right, so we're out here camping with Camper Dude and Spence.
That's right.
We've got an amazing view here. We're out here in the Great Basin Desert, setting up camp right now, and I think we should build a fire pit. What do you think?
Yeah, let's construct something. Let's construct a little something. I like that.
Yes, sir.
I like that.
All right, let's get to it, guys.
Let's get in it.
Okay. Nice. Alrighty, we pretty much finished our fire pit, laying the last rock right over here. Go. So now that we created our fire pit, it's pretty simple, but it works and I like it. So I've got my fire gear in here, fire starters.
There you go.
Yes! Fire! And now I'm gonna move it with this stick.
I know, yeah. Dude, I'm already so excited just for a brat. The thing about the juniper trees is that the bark is so much fluff.
Oh yeah. Lights fast, but burns fast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that first one getting pretty cooked?
Yeah. Dinner is served. Check that out. Got a fire over there. Wow. It's beautiful out here.
There you go. You should hit that one with the butt end of the other axe and it will split the log.
There we go. Here we have a $20 hatchet, $35 hatchet. This one is more portable and compact, but not much leverage. This one has more leverage. This one works better. It is a bit heavier though. Yeah, that's unfortunate. I don't know why I bought this one. What's good, guys? We're out here cooking some brats. Oh, mine's burning. Telling you, brats are one of the best things to cook out here when you're camping.
I don't know what it is, but this combo hits so unbelievably hard. Like the saltiness of the brat, the tanginess of the mustard, all the flavors combined almost kind of, you know?
Oh, exactly. Can't beat it. Breakfast is served.
Rule number one of camping, leave no trace. If you ever do leave a trace, I will find you.
See, there's nothing here but logs.
That's right.
And then also,
Leave it better than you found it.
exactly. Also, we packed up everything over there. Leave no trace, guys.